Good morning. Good morning everyone. Today I am going to teach you social studies. Me, Neelu Pandey, a teacher of Joint School Family Rupandehi, and today's topic is origin and need of society. What is the meaning of origin and need of society? Today we will study here in details. First, I want to explain you what is the meaning of society. Actually, what is the meaning of society? The term society is derived word socios, which mean companionship or friendship, and friendship. In society, we live as a friend, we behave as a friend. When we need immediate help, they are always ready to help. We cannot survive alone because we have unlimited necessities, wants, demand. So we need help from others. So we need society. And a society is organized community of people who live together by sharing customs, laws, modes of life, etc. within a defined territory. Society means living together, sharing each and everything with our neighbors, sharing customs, modes of life within defined territory. Society is one organized community where people share their joys, happy, sorrows with each other. They live together, share their common goals. Society helps to develop the children behavior, language. People learn many things from society. Society is one of the developed and organized community where people learn many more things. People live together in society. Human beings cannot survive alone as they have unlimited necessities. They need always immediate help from society. Every individual needs help from society. Now I am going to explain origin of society. Origin of society. At the beginning, human beings used to live in jungle. Their needs are quite limited to food and shelter only. They do not know how to cook food, so they eat raw food. And human being are weaker than other animals. Human beings are weaker than other animals. And human beings are not strong like an elephant, not having sharp teeth and long paws like a lion. And human beings cannot jump like monkey from one tree to next tree. Human beings are facing difficult living in jungle. After that, they move from one place to another place, and they realize that they need security, and they found out bank of river. They make permanent house for shelter, and they sit there happily. They feel security, and they hunting animals and collecting fruit from jungles. And they found that rubbing two stone make fire, so it makes cook food. And in course of moving in course of moving, they found water for drinking, and stone for making tools, weapons, and they make houses for their permanent settlement and feel safety from animals and enemies. Later they develop art and craft. They develop government was established. Organized government was established. They educate their children. They take care of children, sick and old people as their responsibility. Yes, after that, human civilization is established. There are some example. Egyptian civilization, Mesopotamian civilization, Greek civilization, Hanho Valley civilization, etc. are some example. Nowadays, human being can control the creature of nature. After that, now let's talk about the need of formation of the society. Society briefly. Need of society. Need of society. Humans are social beings. A society is very important to all. Different occupational people live together. They help each other. They cooperate with each other. So society is very important to all human beings. They cannot live alone and far from society, as they have unlimited necessities, wants, demand. So they need society. And the need of society was felt to fulfill the following purpose of humans as a social being. Some points are here, and I am going to study this point. Listen. Need of the formulation of a society to fulfill individual and common needs in a secured way while we are living in society. Yes, common needs and individual needs we fulfill in secured way to protect and enrich culture and civilization. In civic society, we protect our culture, tradition, our language. To protect tradition and social norms and values. Society helps to protect our tradition. Yes, social norms, values, respects, behavior. These all things protect culture. Yes, these all things protect in society. To render this feeling to the new generation, coming generation, they also learn from society. Behavior, culture, tradition, to share happiness and sorrows with each other. By sitting in society, we all human beings share our happiness and sorrows with our neighbors as a friend, and they also ready to help when we need help. To guarantee social justice for all. This is very important points. We all get social justice in society. If any mistake find out, then society gives us justice. So people need society to achieve the goals of life. To achieve the goals of life, society help us human beings to achieve their goals, objectives of their life. These all are needs of the formation of a society, and society is very important for human beings. Human beings cannot live without society. Today we are using science and technology, and human beings develop stone age, different ages, industrial ages, agriculture ages, animal husbandry ages, and now we are in science and technology ages. And today we are communicate with each other with the help of technology. So society is very important for human beings. Human beings cannot live without society. Yes, and in sitting society we all follow rules and regulation. Yes, thank you. Only today this much, and I am going to give you some work, and please complete your work in time. Yes, answer the following question. What is society? I have explained above. Yes. What is why is a society important to us? Society is important to us because society always ready to help. Yes. Just I have explained above. Make a list of things that you get from a society, and what you get from society. Please make a list 5 or 6. How much you can collect? Please write here. Okay. Okay. Thank you, class.